What's up, guys? Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Financial Empire. Now, in this video, we're gonna be doing a tutorial on how to buy the mint to earn token. Now, make sure you stick around, watch till the very last point of this video, so that we'll be learning how to buy the cryptocurrency, the token mint to earn using Trust Wallet or pancakeswap. So click on over here, right here, this point. You click on this. Now you can see the plus sign over here. You click on it also. So you click on it over here, you paste the contract number. Before that, you change the network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Then you paste the address, the contract address right here. That's the contract address of the cryptocurrency. Now you can see I appeared means to earn symbol MTE decimal 9 decimals. Now you click on done. Once you click on done, you can see mean to earn has been added to list of your tokens. To confirm that, we'll go back to confirm whether it has been added list of our tokens. As you can see, mean to earn is now added to the list of our cryptocurrencies. Now, how to buy the mean to earn token is very simple. All you need to do is click on dApps over here. The down bar, click on that, come to popular, click on pancakeswap. So give it some time to load and make sure your wallet is being connected to your pancakeswap, and I will show you where to connect your pancakeswap wallet to your pancakeswap to your Trust wallet. So you can see at this point over here, I've connected my pancakeswap to my Trust wallet. Now if I buy a cryptocurrency, it will send straight to my Trust wallet account. So after connecting your wallet, where you see on a swap, you come right here. So click on cake. Where you see cake right here, click on cake. So you paste the contract address of the cryptocurrency you want to buy, the means to earn cryptocurrency. Paste the contract address, okay. I'll put the contract address over here. Okay. Now I'll paste the contract address of this. So the next point now is to see me to earn. Click on import. So you can anyone can create a BEP20 token on BSC with any name, including creating fake version of existing tokens, and tokens are claimed to represent projects that do not have a token. If you purchase arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell. So, however, this is just a disclaimer. So you click, I understand, I click on import. Now, once you click on import, you click on max, and you input the number of BNB you want to swap to this cryptocurrency. So let me say I'm going to be swapping 0.1. Okay, let me say point. Okay, 0.5 BNB. Now you can see the estimated value of 0.5 BNB to this means to earn cryptocurrency MTE over here. And if it's what you want, you can see the price, you can see the spillage tolerance, guys. So when you write insufficient balance, you can see minimum receipt, price impact, and liquidity provider fee. So you can see the insufficient balance is because I don't have enough BNB in my wallet. Once I have enough BNB in my wallet, I just click on there, and if you click, you see buy, and once you click on buy and put your password, it will be sent straight to your Trust Wallet account under your means to earn financial or crypto space. So how to swap these cryptocurrencies is also easy. All you need to do, let me show you something very simple. That's just opposite of buying. You can see over here where you see this arrow over here, just click on it and you see they have a swap. MT is up, BNB is down, me to A is up, man, and BNB is down. So what you need to do right now is just input the same value of the input the number. Click on max over here. When you click on max, input the number of this mean to earn cryptocurrency that you want to convert to BNB. You want to swap to BNB. Let me see. You input like this. Now when you come down here, you see the value of this. You see the value of this mean to M to B mean to M to BNB over here now over 72.197 BNB. This is the value that amounts to this. And if what you want, you just click on where you see sufficient MTE balance, click on it and it will be swapped to BNB and you send straight to your wallet. This is how very easy it is for you to just buy and swap this cryptocurrency using pancakeswap on Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, drop more comments, and let's get on with this. Let's build the community together.